Hello everyone! I am Neil de Guzman from Bohol, 29 years old. Isa po akong business owners at nasa almost 3 years na po ako sa e-commerce industry. At alam naman po natin na kapag mayroon po tayong online business or kapag nagbebenta po tayo ng mga products sa online, maybe it could be digital or physical products, sobrang importante po talaga na marunong po tayo mag-market sa ating mga product. So, alam naman natin ngayon na sa online marketing, sobrang taas na po ng competition, especially po sa sales. So, if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, then I believe isa ka sa behind the market. So, if you are looking for a person or a coach or someone na pwede na mag-guide sa inyo or magtuturo sa inyo on how to run Facebook ads na may proven at effective strategy, I would recommend Coach Selbet Sokgang. Okay? To be honest, isa po akong student niya before. And when I started to learn and let Coach Selbet as my guide on how to run effective Facebook ads, wow, sobrang laki ng pagbabago sa sales ko, especially sa mga physical products na binebenta ko online. So right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga results ko after I applied all of the learnings or lessons I learned from Coach Selbeth. So, I'll see. Okay, so right now, nandito po tayo sa screen or sa computer ko. Actually, for all due time na nagra-run po ako ng Facebook ads, I funded or I spent 2,955,783 pesos. And you know what's the result? Facebook ads gave me these results actually. This is the real results, no? This one. 6,904,931 pesos. Okay? So, meron pa tayong ROAS na 2.34. So, meaning to say, lahat ng mga ads na to na niraran ko sa Facebook, all of this campaign are profitable. So, super ganda at super effective po talaga yung mga tinuturo ni Coach Selbeth. So, thank you so much and I hope na isa po kayo sa maging consistent na student po ni Coach Selbeth at good luck, no? And God bless po sa inyong Facebook ads journey. Thank you. Alright, so once again, thank you so much. And if you are looking for a coach or if you are looking for a mentor, if you want your online business to scale fast, I would highly recommend Coach Selbet Sukgang, the best ka coach. Thank you so much.